the Daredevil girl.
Thank you, the Hillsman25, for suggesting we do the challenge. The burping challenge.
Yeah, and I'm gonna play some music because music helps me burp a lot. So.
Cheating.
How about let's just turn on some music? We need some jams in our video. Oh, let me turn off this stupid show. Okay, sorry about that. We are gonna play some music. Okay, would you like to go first, Reese?
Can't stop dancing.
Okay.
Hit my back.
Ow! Count, wait, you have to count. Are you counting?
No.
Okay, let's start that over and you have to actually count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Okay, I'm done.
I'm 40. 40. Oh my gosh. How am I gonna beat that? Okay. Yeah, I'm not ready. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm done. 9.
You got 9? I'm totally the winner.
Oh,
Okay.
by the way, last time, remember, do what Hillsman25 did, and go subscribe his channel,
And comment
Shout
the
out to
next one you wanted us to do. Subscribe and like down below.